just thinking about you.
Hello creative people, welcome to my channel Sakshi's Way, and today I'm going to be making the very first video of my channel, and I'm going to be using the Lippan app technique for it. So we'll just quickly get started.
So these are the following things we'll be requiring for the claw: molded clays, an MDF, compass, fevicol, cutter, pencil, eraser, gesso, mirrors, powder, etc. So firstly we'll be finding the center of the MDF so that we can put the machine on the back side, and then we'll make the circles with the help of the compass, and then we'll draw some straight lines so that we can do the middle motif part as well. Now firstly we'll do the molded clays so that we can start our Lippan art. And now our molded clay is about to get ready. Now we'll be making straw-like clay molds for the outer lining of our clock. Now we'll put the fevicol on the pencil area so that we can put the molds of clay and give the framing for the molds of the clock.
थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया तो लग गया होगा कि मेरे लिए मेरी स्पेशल वीडियो में इतना स्पेशल क्या है. नाउ इट्स टाइम फाइनली फॉर गेस.
Finally, we'll start with the coloring now. Now it's time for the double coating, guys. So this is our final color, guys. So I've made a rough sketch of the drawing that I'll be making in the middle section. Golden pen for the outlining, but I'm not sure of this effect of gold. I think I'll be using the acrylic color instead. It's the copper acrylic color. So yeah, I'm liking this shade more. So we'll go forward with this one. So मुझे थोड़ा खाली लग रहा था तो मैंने इसमें थोड़ी सी डिटेलिंग ऐड कर दी, and I think this is looking prettier now. Now I'll be using these for the numbers of the clock. So I'm sticking two stickers together so that it gives a little 3D effect, because one I am feeling it's a little thin for the clock. So it's the final touch up. So finally it's time for the mirror placement. And it's time for the final touch up, guys. Also, I'm not really liking the white mirrors, so I'm giving it a tint of gold. So I've done the hole in the middle of the clock, and I am now putting the machine on the back side and fitting the ring, and now I'll be finally adding the ticks to the clock. And after putting the battery, my clock is all ready. Yay! So purple is my favorite color, and which is yours? Please comment down below and let me know. And also please give me the feedback of how do you like the wall clock that I made for my room. Thank you.